Okay, so here's the bizarre thing. This afternoon, I let Cal out of the cage. He walks down, goes to Topaz, and now he follows her around no matter where she goes. It's weirdest, strangest bonding thing. He's even tried to chase me to fend her, protect her, I guess, kind of like a mate would in the wild. So here's an example of if I bring Topaz here, watch Cal come with her. Topaz, come. And here's Cal. Come on. Come on, Topaz. Keep walking. Come. Here's Cal following her around. Come on. It's like, I think Topaz has found himself a new friend. Come on. Come on, Topaz. Come here. Apparently, they're inseparable now. Topaz, come. Come on. That's strange. I don't know. I don't know what he thinks. I guess Cal thinks he's found a mate or something. So here we go into the. Come on. Come, Topaz. Come on. Topaz. Come. Come on. Topaz, come. It's the weirdest thing.